It's me again.
Y'all niggas got me hot. Yeah. Nah, niggas got me hot.
Yeah. I'm not even gonna do an intro because I don't need to do an intro. I have a gig today, and after I have a gig, I am driving down to DC to party with my friend. Well, my friend and my friends. Partying with her for her 24th. I'm super excited. I've never been to DC, so... And it's really gonna be cute and quick. Like, I'm there for it at night and then that's it. But we gotta do the gig first. So yeah, I find it very, very hard to talk and do my makeup at the same time. But I'm gonna try my best. I really am. If this ends up just being a video of me doing my makeup, please don't be mad. I'm so happy that I'm deciding to make content again. Let me tell y'all how this happened. So I was doing my lashes and I was sitting here thinking about like my vision board, and I'm like, oh yeah, like I've been wanting to get back to content creating. And my whole thing was like, when I first started YouTube, I created this persona based off of what I saw other YouTubers doing at the time. So I basically like put on a YouTube voice and like, you know, said, okay, like, hey guys, like I'm here, we're going to use this, like, and I know that's not my real personality. So I've been struggling with that for a while. Vulnerable moment. So then I said, all right, I'm done my lashes and they ate. Let me just, I got extra time right now. Let me just go ahead and practice. I set up the camera and I just got to talking. And then I got like so like inspired because I really used to do this. Like I really used to be on my content bag. And so I left and I went to the mall and I came back. And I had like a little try on haul moment. And I was watching it back and it was so good. Like it was probably the best content I ever made. So I'm like, all right, like I might as well, what's stopping me from doing this right now? Like what's stopping me from chasing my dream right now? Like this is crazy for real. But I'm happy. I'm blessed to be here. It's 2024. I'm very, very serious about what I want, where I want to be, and what I don't want. Knowing all of those things, I just feels like anchors you in a different way than most people who are like, you know, still trying to figure it out. That's pretty much why I'm here on camera. I want to leave here around 1 o'clock. That's early, but I've been having these experiences with my gigs where it's just like I'm so like disappointed in the way that I've been like conducting myself. That could be a whole nother video in itself. I really was like feeling like I was not putting my best foot forward, and that shit hurt it real bad because it's like, this is my baby. Like me doing violin is different. It's different than me dancing. Dance came easy. Violin, I was unsure about it at one point, so I got a different connection when it comes to it. And I'm thankful for that too. Like just being able to experience these things and learn and grow from them. And then those are the situations that help you navigate throughout your life. So yeah, just going in with some foundation over my concealer. I'm going for like a natural beat. The lashes really be taking me to the next level though. It be making me want to go full beat down. Lately I have perfected my makeup routine to only be, I cut it down 30 minutes. These brows, however, 8 down. The last time y'all saw me post, I wasn't licensed, and like now I'm literally a licensed esthetician. Like I'm licensed to do makeup, and the funny part is I don't do it. Like I do it on other people, but it's like once every 3 months. And I just genuinely think everything happens for a reason. But luckily I got blessed. I got hired at a dance school, and now I am a teacher, and now I work with kids, and it's so crazy because what the heck? I prayed so hard, like, please, I'm trying to find what I'm supposed to be doing, like, and people was asking like, oh, so are you gonna do makeup? Are you gonna do violin? Are you gonna do dance? And I'm like, I don't know. And when you continue to ask me, I'm about to start getting mad because you're reminding me that I'm a little unsure in my life right now. And yeah. T. That shit burnt me. And look, it's only been 20 minutes. That's crazy. Back to makeup for a second. So I am doing liquid concealer for the fact that I'm going to be wearing this literally for probably 12 plus hours. So yeah, that's like kind of like my life update. Like I work with kids. I love them so much. I literally did not get this job being like, I want to change the world. But this role that I play has made me want to do more, give back more, and, you know, replenish what Philly may be missing when it comes to our youth. They just always want to talk about, oh, these kids, but just the way that the world evolves, we have to evolve with our community. So like, yeah, back in the 1990s, we didn't have kids on iPads for hours and hours and hours, but now we do. So like, comment on it and then like be the change that you want to see. Damn, shit hard as fuck. Look, how the fuck I'm supposed to blend my contour out with that? A rock? Are you serious? Yeah, so like I've become like low-key really invested in my community and really invested in like the change that I can make working with my kids, and hoping and praying that they take something that they learn with them as they grow. So I'm really happy to be here in this position that I'm in right now. This face is eating, by the way. It's 12:30. I'm doing great on time in terms of wanting to leave at 1 because I'm already dressed. And perfect. Okay. Blush. Let me see. Do I have anything else I want to update y'all with? Dance is going great. It's going amazing. Hip hop, I'm coming for that ass. I don't care what I gotta do, how many classes I gotta go to, how many intensives I gotta take. I'm on that ass because I know how to do hip hop. But every time I get into class, I start freezing up. I don't know what it is, but I don't care because I'm gonna get it. It's time to set my foundation. Violin is slow. Just being 100% honest, I'm not mad at it though. November was the most busiest month for violin that I've ever had in my life, and blessings go all the way up to God because he really ate that. I gotta do highlighter. I don't really be doing highlighter like that no more, but I do it when, like, you know, when it gives. So I usually take my Black Radiance palette and I go over what I put underneath my brows, and then I also take it down my nose. Today I'm just gonna take the excess from what I just was using, and I'm gonna just like lightly just brush over everything. I'm pretty much done with this part of the vlog, for real. Like, we did that, we ate that. I'm ready to pack up and I'm ready to dip.
Okay, you got it. You dance in front of the camera all the time. Don't forget your phone.
I have not recorded in 6 months, and here I am vlogging. So we're going out, and this is a birthday vlog.
Hey y'all. I was not looking at the camera.
This is Octavia. I'm gonna do a roll call.
The next birthday girl.
Yes, when your birthday?
It's the 13th.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. I'm doing a roll call for my vlog.
Hi.
Hey, this is Simone.
Not my name.
Please don't tell me. Don't say anything at all. This is Nina. And the reason why I said Simone, because I was thinking Nina Simone. See, you see how I really do that?
This is a vlog, so I'm not gonna say what I want to say.
No, but I was thinking Nina Simone though, cause you know that's a that's one of the
she knows
greats.
my name.
But I'm a little, yeah.
You're wait, what's the name? What's the song?
I'm a little sad. Put that over it. Hey, but they brother. Hey y'all. Roll call. In an Airbnb. So excited. Woo. Y'all want to see the fit? I know y'all want to see the fit. This might work. Y'all can see me. This is so crazy. But I'm Zara. I'm Zara out the night. That's it. So thank y'all for watching my vlog. This is crazy and random. So thank y'all for watching my vlog and tune in for more vlogs. All that good stuff. I will see y'all next time.
Hey, well that's exactly what the nigga came for.